Okay, good evening everyone. Probably one of my last videos on the Intrepid kiln construction. It's pretty much finished. Well, it is finished, apart from I haven't screwed the side plate on the controller. Don't want to contain any explosions, do we? So yeah, that's all, well, pretty much as it was before. I've replaced the switch up here with a much larger switch, so hopefully it won't burn out. Let's have a look around the side here. So the cable now is basically in this conduit, which goes up here to die-cast aluminium box on the lid. Lid's all finished now with a steel top plate and a handle. There's also a little thing here so I can open it, hopefully. Oh, it's heavy. There we go. So yeah, that's the inside. It's been fired a few times and it's still good. There's the thermocouple, and there's the this is my heating element array now. So this is so there's brick coated with the firewall, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 400-watt elements, all screwed into a steel angle iron support, which is bolted but not absolutely solid. So this whole thing can move ever so slightly on the bolt. So as it expands and contracts, it doesn't sort of squash or pull these rods, because they're glass and they're quite delicate. So this whole thing is slightly fluid. And then I've got some firewall on the top and the bottom here just to catch any oxide which forms on the copper. The copper forms an oxide quite quickly and it tends to flake off, so this is like a catch, if you like. So yeah, it's all hinged at the back there. All seems to be fine. So I'm gonna actually fire something now on a proper cycle. So if I turn it on, so that's a much more significant switch. So the basically it's going to go at rate at 0.14 degrees per second, up to 148 degrees for 720 seconds, and then 0.14 to 315 degrees, 720 seconds, rate 3, 0.14 to 516 for 1200 seconds, 0.14 to 671 degrees for 1800 seconds, 0.1 degrees per second to 804 degrees for 720, then rapid cool to 537 for 2700 seconds, and cool at 0.03 degrees per second to 516 for 2700 seconds, and then end sequence. So that's going to take quite some time. Anyway, so so I hope you like it. It's been taking me a little while, but I'm quite pleased with it. So it could react slightly faster, but with the materials I had available, that was the best I could do. So anyway, so I'll wax some glass in and see what happens. Anyway, thanks for watching. Cheers.